change. Please show me the way.
To what dragon? Yeah, freak get a Mali baby, understand?
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton then I represent the Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
If I lose all, please show me the way.
Viewers and subscribers, them say when you sing conscious song, you're not go nowhere, no, but I like that. Viewers, you see the artist here, when I go talk about goes by the name Grandma Ray, and in drop a song, one day I got title, Ghetto Tribulation.
Can't do it on my own.
Now true you hear artists that sing so conscious, you feel like the artist can bring it hardcore. Yeah man, the artists have that in him too man, me I tell you. You see me? But the artists I see some things that go on in a garrison them we need to get clear up, and the bigger as them need to look in a garrison and help the garrison them more. Because whole heap of things cause the garrison to be a garrison like how it is right now, you know. You see me? I mean I say viewers and subscribers, this a song is a powerful song. And if I run through a catalog of song where the artist post, our next conscious song this, you know, I mean I tell you say yo, if you check it out, it's a conscious song, have the most views on him thing. I mean I tell you so this one I come beat enough of them song ya when you have on him in catalog a song when him post. This a song I go pass them views there to me, not tell no lie. The artist have a conscious song them in him like that. Hit song them. You see what I say? I mean, have to say, oh, big up Skinny Production. See him way if you push out the dog out there. You see what I say? Because you don't know, say, you get to youth them, you know, man. Whole part talent there, get to, you know, man. I mean, I say, big up Ray Bad, see him way. You don't know a thing, because them are put in work with the artists, and from them I help the artists, and I make the artists go out there, you know a thing. So my duty is to send over some people over Artist Vivo, you know. So I say viewers and subscribers, I want to go over Artist Vivo and go listen to the artist catalog a song them. Make him know say Soji TV Entertainment send on over there.
Okay, long like the 5 gear in a van. Me eat like a free.
Yeah man, now I go talk about the next artist goes by the name Santo. You see me? Yeah man, I tell you say yo, in drop a song title Bad Freak, you know. The next artist where they underrate. I tell you say the artist are gonna reach far to no joke. Remember me did tell you that, you know, viewers and subscribers. Yes man. Soji TV Entertainment believe in a progress, you know. For the artists them are put in the hard work and stay relevant. Why not? Eh? Them forget review. Because if nobody else not see them, me see them, you know. You see what I say? And some other people and the artists them wing same way we are putting some hard work to, and people now highlight them. Yeah man. First me have to give big up to the artist said we have to stay relevant and I write the song them and advise them. You see me? Me have to big up Galaxy Control Music said we. Promote the thing, produce the thing, said way, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know a thing, man. And in their artist foot, I make sure artists do the right thing, you know. Garrison youth, them a same way. Forward from part in a town, I put in the work, you see it? Yeah man, and the artist drop a song named Bad Freak. And the artist talk something in it about the freak them and talk something about the lifestyle. So I want to know guys to go over artists them Vivo man. Give them a listening ears man. Make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see it? Yeah man, and continue to motivate the artists them. You see me? Yeah man. I don't know say a determination do it, you know, man. Once you determine and know say one day it'll go happen. Just always work with that belief there and see if it not happen. Cause right now Soji TV Entertainment there, you know. Slowly but surely man. Cause when my time, you know, I just work with a put in. I'm loving the artists them post them thing, and the artists they have a link with Soji TV Entertainment. Then shove over and say Soji TV. See what go on there, you know. Listening to make me hear what go on. Love that. So that for sure you say it a happen. You see me? Yeah man, Rome no take for build one day, you know, man. So I just time, you know. So you have to just be patient and work with the artists them and believe in the artists. Same like how some of my blogger them believe in the artists them. Cause every artist when me review, I believe in them and know so they can do better and they can go out there. You see me? Cause I cake did it for everybody. Yes, man. You did it for everybody. So, viewers and subscribers, I appreciate you all for pass through Soji TV Entertainment. You see me? I'm gonna like you guys to hit the bell icon. Subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Leave your honest comment. You see what me I say? Yeah, man. Press the thumbs up, man. Give me a like, man. You see me? I don't know, so I appreciate you all. So I want to know guys to enjoy the rest of your weekend. Madam mean.